make they mark.
What's going on, gang? Monday, another interesting week. It seems like we got freaking rollover too this week. It's a lot of music, huh? But yeah, rollover. I think rate statements, FOMC. I think Friday is a half day. That sucks, to be honest. Yeah, financial juice. Yeah, Wednesday, FOMC. Friday, half day, or like holiday, rollover. All right. Let's see what we got. Because we did freaking have a huge gap up due to the peace deal. Let's see what we got structure wise. Let's start with the daily. So that daily here, obviously that neckline, that was the one to break or reject. Obviously we are trading above. I'll be looking for this level first. This is where the move started. It's where the most volume, like the drive away. So I'm anticipating price to hit this level. If we gain this level, yeah, all-time highs. I think all-time highs is in the cards from here. Yeah, hourly. This level. Just gonna align with this thing's freaking bullish as fuck. Bullish as fuck. Yeah, I'll be looking at those candle bodies for upside. It's basically a tight range. Kind of could wait for price to break out, could confirm out, and then see what's going on. That's a really tight range. Profile wise, where's my profile here? So last week's high low marked out. Removing the profile. Just looking at structure. I did this like last Friday before we pumped here. So that initial target for me got hit. I'm looking again, somewhat the same level on the daily, on the hourly, 4 hour here too. This is where the move initiated. I'll be looking for price to gravitate towards that level. To be seen if she does that today. Because there's obviously a huge gap, which could be filled, but we are trading. I mean, this is like 700 points. We're currently trading inside of this gap here. So yeah, I'll be bullish. To be seen what the open does though. To be seen what the open does. Not much to see on a 4 hour here. Structure wise here, the latest move. This is where we go up, we went up, when we just stayed going up. There's no more structure. This, even if it fills the gap, super bullish still above these levels. Opening price is going to be key here. Let's look at some short time frames. Yeah, I'm already breaking this one, I guess. I might be using, yeah, that swing high point as a reference point. Two like these equal lows, but. Yeah. I'm gonna use these lows, yeah. Five minutes. I'll be looking. This is bullish. Kind of want to see price. Most obvious thing would be for price to use these as support, go up, trade above the orange line, and then trade up. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I usually like to play or use the ones that are closest by to give me the best read, but I think, yeah, I still think this one is the one. This one is the one. Rollover is required. I don't think I want to roll over just yet. I have no idea what the volume is like. Got 2 more minutes till the open. So this is going to be a little bit of a funky week with a rollover. Friday is going to be a holiday. We got FOMC on Wednesday. It's going to be a tricky week. Like peace deal came in. Oil probably dropping, pumping the rest of the market. Crazy times, to be honest. See, market's open. Opening price is going to be key here. See if you can drive away from the opening price. That would have been the most bullish thing. If you trade under, if for whatever reason price starts rejecting the opening price, gets back into that range, high probability will be opposite side of the range, and potentially if you drop from here, the gap close. If this thing is still bullish as fuck, just want to give it some time. I don't have too much edge here, although this retest was nice. Just no volume bubble wise, which is strange. That 5-minute close outside of that range. Where's my profile? It's gonna be looking really bullish. So if we close a 5-minute above, that would confirm somewhat of a breakout. It's gonna be waiting for a pullback. Not sure why I don't have any bubbles. This book seems really thin. And I reckon price, they need to sell to buy the other contract, so there's a lot of activity probably. Not sure they want to punch it one direction on rollover week. I need to roll. Shit. How do I roll on deep charts? Seems like that's just one button. Might have to redo my levels though. There's the volume. Thank you, CJ. Right, so early rollover on the week is actually a good thing. Morning, guys. Yes, so rollover. Don't forget to roll over the contract. It's more volume in the new one than the old one. That just messed up all my levels though. Trying to think what the game plan here is. Things are bullish though, so longs only now, but definitely need to see a pullback. Like there's also not a lot of structure on the 5 minute here. It's basically only this higher. Damn, that's a real fat line. So structure wise, it still looks good to do. Also, the book is like 50-50 volume-wise, I reckon. So, from the information I got from my friend, so I think this might be a choppy one. Like, I don't feel the need to be aggressive here for some reason. Just going along, but I'll see it. Oh yeah, bet, Crochet. You better be sure of something like that. I need to run for the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. This is the thing I'm a little bit worried about, that she will just kind of want to see somewhat of a more of a failed auction on a higher time frame. At this point in time, she's just breaking out on a 5-minute. I just feel like this is somewhat late in the move. Am I missing out on easy plays or not? I feel like candles are like somewhat back to normal. Somewhat of a failed auction here. This could have been definitely something. And profile wise, we just basically filled that whole gap. Maybe a few more points. This is the most bullish open there is though. Opening up with a gap. Then respecting the opening price. This is the most bullish open. Some liquidity at the 800s, which is not that far away. Patience. Daily, man, this thing just wants all-time highs. Just crazy.
Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad then. 2:33 and I'm still going hard then. I'll buy a building just to burn it down then. Phone keeps on ringing but ain't calling back then. Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad then. Yeah, bitch, but no cover, got them hidden, made a cover, sticker chopper, got
Get an hourly target at 855.
water in Tahiti, packed a bum bikini, fettuccine sup. Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad then. 2:33 and I'm still going hard then. I'll buy a bullet just to burn it down then. Phone keeps on ringing but ain't calling back then. Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad then. Eyes have seen what my mind couldn't believe. Making loves by women, couple misogynist with degree. I'm a bee chasing my dreams while my demons chasing me. Such a pessimistic optimist, yeah, realistically back down.
Yeah, the only play on the 5 minute was right upon open. Sucks balls. Maybe when price pushed down, created the absorption, start trading back above. That would have been a fucking zinger. Let's see what happens after she or they consumed those orders at the 800s. The issue is that structure-wise, or we create structure up here, or we push all the way back down. Otherwise, on a 5 minute, it's not much going on, but going straight up. See how good that works when they push aggressively into those orders. You don't even need the level 2, you can just see it. You see the sellers push, and if they can't keep pushing down, they're getting absorbed. Kinda love this shit. Question is, do I want to be a buyer? This is where they got absorbed late last time. That's somewhat of a failed auction on top. This could be short, but I'm not going to short this shit. Anticipating a pullback.
Yo, hey, lately been feeling myself too hard to be sad when I take a good look in my pocket. Really been stacking this paper. Funny thing is, young niggas just getting.
We are having a rollover, Mr. Luffy. I think the contracts, the old one, the new one, they're like 50-50-ish. There's a little bit more volume on the new one. That's why I rolled. But yeah. Don't expect too much today from the market. So the reason being, I'm a little bit more defensive in what I'm trying to do. And also just structure-wise on a 5 minute. I kind of want to use the 5 minute-ish to support my idea, even though when she does this, you just gotta play the structure in 1 minute. But if I'm not gonna buy here, why would I buy here? Or we create a failed auction, perhaps. I don't think this thing is gonna crash. I do expect what you said earlier, that there might be some fuckery with that peace deal. Like, I see that crumble and then, yeah, things continue. Like, yeah, probably. Don't try to focus too much on it, but it does impact, like, the Nasdaq obviously too much. It's just annoying when they like announce those news like before, or like right before the market opens on the new week, and then price gaps like 800 points, and yeah. You full ported 3 times, sir. Risk management. She was kind of anticipating maybe to gain. This is still holding. Absorption, failed auction, retest lower. The issue here is that I kind of want to play a 5-minute structure, like I said before. So I need a pull back all the way down. Like for me, the most obvious part was the rejection here, just to short. I just don't want to short a market with a gap up and all that. I don't want to short the daily highs in. Long term, that's not going to end well. And then the issue becomes when she retest these levels, how far do I want to see it go? Because there's also a probability that she will fail the bounce. We'll see what happens. This one goes, she will eat all that. That could be a real quick move back to the opening price here. Like those freaking backfills in a 5-minute, dude, I want to build a strategy around that. That's fucking fire. Yo, Luffy, I haven't traded one trade today. Like, I'm still waiting to push a button. Yo, what's up, Jamal? Top of the hour too, we got the IB close. 30-minute IB closer. From that perspective, not much going on. Still bullish above the POC, obviously, from a profile perspective. I don't know, rollover just makes my head think that she's not gonna go too far out. Freaking YouTube translating this shit to Dutch. They're at 40. Yeah, 40. Definitely already missed the best entry. Not sure if I wanna she's not even allowing me to enter. The numbers, like I disabled the numbers. I don't need to see numbers. Like the numbers are completely irrelevant. I just make my small ones a little bit bigger and my big ones more bigger. There's just not a lot of volume, I guess. Yep. Could have been filled. I could have been filled. Could have played this so tight. And Star's trying to step in. If they push up, this could be a real quick move back up towards the highs here. Seems like they're getting absorbed. If the moment of truth. Should have been more aggressive to the upside. mean, there's trades I could have made. I just want to keep doing the same thing I do, use like over and over again. I don't want to start doing different things. Right, so this is basically the first pullback on a 5 minute. Most obvious thing is going to be if we test the low side, what happens here? Do we reject or do we gain? And then trade this on a 1 minute. If we trade up, same thing. If we gain this level, we see the aggression of the buyers long. If we fail that level, this is turned into a failed auction, then we can, or I can target the other side. That's what I want to do.
Yeah, that's off the dome. Yeah. I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me. The way I'm sitting nowadays, I'm money stacked 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte. Why they all call me bougie? I don't want no prayers from no haters. Probably waiting on my downfall. Mad that we made it in my wins on time. Why you trying to delay it? And they say it's authentic, but they wins look plated. They fake though, and I need all my cheese. Queso, provolone, and get all of my dogs out the trap like Home Alone. And Creed said I'm locked in. I really got no options. Standing on business, I need mines off the top then. Let them go ahead and count us all out. We just running up the numbers, watch us hit another level. Hey, can't hold me back. Put the city on the map, boy. How you love that? Boy, they thought that I was playing, but I hit another level. About to hit another level, had to hit another.
This could count as a retest, although I like it a little bit more obvious, like 10 points.
Hit another half meal, mixing bass and treble. Locking up the game like a Rico when it's federal.
850 would be overall the move. Like the liquidity here at 850s, 870s. There's obviously liquidity both sides. Ideally, we eat this, push down, gain. That's my only play, I think. I just want to be careful with rollover, and we're already up that much. So if I want to go long, I kind of want to go long in a low volume note, which is going to be here, even without looking at a profile. I think this looks very obvious. Like if you look at it like this is your low volume. Buyers clearly winning here, but I don't feel it to go long here in the middle of it all. I kind of want to wait for the failed auction. It's a 20-point wick. I feel like the numbers are getting a little bit back to normal-ish. Now we wait and see what she wants to do. I can still get tricked here though. Trick. Not a close I'm looking for to go long against. Ideally, we make a new low. You can see the tape is picking up here, ate some liquidity. The moment of truth. Bro, give me a freaking... What? Why? What? For some reason, I wasn't able to go along. Oh my fucking dear lord. Thank you very much, Mr. J. Chetty. Mr. Crochet. Might have saved me a little bit of a potentially loss. I don't know. Still like it though. Ideally, with some absorption on the bottom though. Crochet. Bad close. I like the area, but I don't see the structure to long against. Also, there's like zero aggression here. Kind of want to see sellers push, hitting a wall, or buyers step in. That would be nice. Also don't have aggression to put my stop against. Right, so failed auction. Entering on the momentum play to the upside on the chains of momentum. Looking for continuation here towards the high side of that 5 minute. Not looking too hot. Those rejection candles. Kinda need to go, go, go. I mean, look at these 5 minute candles. They're just not going anywhere. Only thing I got from it is this starting to look like a failed auction. Anticipating a move at least towards the high side here, 780s ish. I want to protect my entry too if we start going up. I mean, this is to be expected, freaking rollover. That's not looking hot. That was close. Usually when something like this happens and she gains and she proves me right, I want to add to that position. Don't really feel the need to do that today. Bounce, bounce. That would have been nice to keep me alive. It's 5 minute ones down. Super messy. I still think I waited for the right time to do it. And overall, until we break this, it's just not looking hot, like just bounce. The dead bounce. I don't know what to call it. It's like a dead cat that bounces, failing to make a new high, failing to make a new high, failing to. So whenever you see this, for example, a support line is holding, whatever, and price is going up, and it's failing to create new highs. But every time it bounces from this, when you see that, this is the move. It's short. Why is my chart frozen? This is the moment probably to buy it. My chart is frozen. Like, has the world paused? What the fuck, dude? This is the one thing I hate about trading. Like, for me, this is still a valid area to go long from. Now, this could have been the move. Like, this would have been, maybe that could be the thing. And I'm just missing it because there's no data. Like, what the fuck, dude? Living in 2026.
Connection lost. Connected.
If this goes straight up, the probability of me just locking my account and walking away is very great. Especially now because she went to my entry for like a point. I could enter just here. I could. Yeah, man, I will check it out in a minute. Let's see if she traps me. Still failing to create a new higher. Create a new high, Nasdaq. I command you to go up. Dude, lower candle, lower candle, lower candle, lower candle. Or we explode. Or dude, there's a reason why this thing is not able to create a new high. Let's go, buddy. Let's make it all back and give me some more. So same thing applying here. I'm looking for the high side of that 5 minute. same time, I don't want to see it fail. Structure-wise, she's still good above 700s here. This thing could easily retest that. Now we're getting some more information, getting the buy aggression, looking for this to hold really. I could put my stop break even here. If we fail here, that would be meaning absorption. Is there more juice? 800s. Basically top of the day here, half the range. Currently at a 1R here, so kind of want to at least get 2R out of this. There is some liquidity for it to do, so let's see if she wants it, huh? Damn, the top of the IB is going to close in 50 seconds. Maybe at least like try for like 2R would be right here, 93s. So what? Might be really aggressive in my trail if we hit those levels. If we start breaking this could be a really big squeeze, quick squeeze. But I'll be locking in 2R if I get the chance. If I get the chance. Ideally, we have some momentum to the upside from here. This thing can easily chop around or like come back to the low side of that range. As long as we don't break this low, this structure looks good to the upside. This thing could easily do something like that. If we can go up here, now I got some structure, potentially put my stop at 1R. So at least put myself back to break even on the day. But kind of want to see it trade above 60s here. It's a 5-minute close. Oh yeah, the IB close, hourly IB. Interesting. Could be very good or very bad. Kind of want to see it trade above the 60s here. Yo, Crochet, I will show you tomorrow, man. I'll see you tomorrow. This is the most brutal freaking break even. Especially if she doesn't continue from here. She be hunting my stops, huh? That's crazy. That's crazy. Motherfucker. Jeez. I mean, you can't make this shit up. Now I'm chasing it in the freaking middle of the range. Well done, Kun. Well done. This helps me out. I'm done for the day. Yep. I got more Jews on the account, but don't want to do it. That's just again Nasdaq. At least I'm gonna get some coffee. I'll be right back. Nasty price action. This was just me trying to chase a move back up. Was not good. Still looks good to the upside though, but thought you want to go to the gym. You're already in the gym? Like, do you live in the gym? All right. Like from this structure, retest, it's just messy. There's no volume here. I mean, like immediate continuation. Not the biggest fan. I do like this, the long still, but I don't want to get chopped like I did before. This was a perfect play though. See the absorption, then get in. That was perfect. Like that's how it should have been. This one was too early, obviously. There was just no volume to back it up. On 5 minutes, this thing is starting to look like consolidation too. And this thing made one impulse move, failed to make new high, failed to make new high, failed to make new high. Lower candle, lower candle, lower candle, lower candle. Again, NASDAQ. Oh, do I really want to try this? Probably not. I got like one more trade to go before she stops me out for the day. Not too sure if I want to. This level makes the most sense at the moment, but doesn't mean she has to bounce here. Sellers getting absorbed, buyers stepping in. Can the buyers push through? It's freaking rollover. Huh? I guess we're gonna find out. This is a make or break. Like literally right here. If she turns, if she rejects, I'll be done for the day in 0.2 seconds. Still rejecting. Damn, there's a lot of liquidity down there. I'm a little bit torn between the fact, should I protect myself? Should I give the room? She's been so not directional. Let's see what happens here. So I like the area, but yeah, somewhat of a lower high on a 5 minute here too. This is just looking weak, to be honest. Well, I guess it's gonna be Monday. Losing Monday. Doesn't look good. I could just exit my position here though. There's some liquidity at the 740s. This really needs to push that 1 wick at the 37s, 36s. Otherwise, this is just looking really, really weak, failing to create new. Go for the wick, buddy. Like, this thing is not going anywhere. Just not the price action I like to see when I'm trading.
told them pipe down. I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights out. Look, if I said it, you already know. They ain't never touching what I'm doing, told them let it go. I ain't with it ticky-tacks like I ain't playing X and O's. Go compare the numbers, said I think they missing decimals. Look, told them that I'm about to run it now. Too much money out of music, dog. Now the bank account is never running out. Educated on the business end when I'm talking.
Yeah, I'm fairly likely to get stopped out because this thing is not going anywhere. But I'm not a fan of this position at all. Just not a fan of how price action is moving. Might just be done for the day and just come back tomorrow. This is just I don't like it. I'm happy to be taking this break even, really. Like, how do you even... Not sure if I have crash. Okay.
Connected.
Oh, really, Nasdaq? Like I said, in this whole freaking thing, and then the one candle, 1 minute. I just need 1 minute to be one minute more patient to keep me in that position. I don't like it anymore in here. Kind of want to see it push up, show me some aggression, and then to target the daily highs here. But I don't want to be part of this crap. This thing is getting really tight too. I want to see some aggression on the move though. Kind of want to play it. Gotta be shitting me, Nasdaq. Okay, this is super tight. Do not do what I do. Trade above the prior candle. Go, go, go. Right, I need to make money back. I got a 1R if I drop it right here. Anticipating that blue line. New candle opens. Go up. Go up. I dropped the 1R. Got 2 R's. Come on, buddy. One more. Basically the eye of the candle. Hitting that blue line though. This could squeeze. Nope, I'm out. I'm out for 2R on that one. That puts me back to freaking break even the fucking day. You know what? I'll take it. What the fuck? Yeah, especially like it's already that late in the session. I messed up a few times, big time. Market's just obviously this was a really nice play. Like directional price pushing. These trades, prices coming back, going up, coming back, going up, coming like I'm just, yeah. Roll over. I'm down $70. Oh, really? Oh, really? And then here on the last move, anticipating price to break that structure. They were keeping these, the buy aggression as support. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, roll over, man. I'm good. At the same time, if we fail to accept above that blue line, this is going to start to look like a failed auction to the upside, meaning price would probably go back to the other side of the range. Ideally she continues, but I think it's normal for rollover to stay somewhat choppy. Like it would not make sense for rollover to push super directional wise into one direction. I think it's my view on it. Yeah, I'm gonna lock my account probably. I do like the fact that price is volatility wise is contained. I'm able to trade bigger lot sizes. Like 7, 6, 9. Even though this one was tight. Was using the sell aggression here support. Here was long 17 contracts. I do like that. I just don't like how price is moving. And that is somewhat expected to be while rollover is taking place. She's gonna squeeze. Like at this point, there's more meat on the bone to the downside than to the upside, I feel. But did we make a new high? I think we made a new high on the day. Yeah. Squeeze him. Squeeze him. It's not something I was able to. Yeah, especially against these highs, I'm not a fan. Overall, like something like this. Like remove this. As long as they use that as support, this thing is bullish. Damn, it could have been a thing, huh? But yeah, like I said, I might be done, dude. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Five trades, somewhat of a choppy market. She's strong though, but this is not the prettiest. So, and also overall, like, was the right idea to wait for failed auction, then play the other side? But messy, like there's days where she's prettier, where she responds quicker into the direction. This keeps going up, huh? This would have been the easier trade. Not sure where I put my stop. Must have been something like this. That was really tight. Usually I like to see some sell aggression, then put my stop below that. It's already hitting my 4-hour target here. About to. I mean, it's a little bit more. 860s, 850s. If we use that as support, all-time highs. That would be crazy if she does that today, though. Not too sure. The daily wants it, though. The daily definitely wants to go to the all-time high. Especially because the initial volume drop here already passed that. That's looking really, really bullish. Same thing on the hourly here. Same level, 860s.
Pre-market scan, I'm locked in the zone. Levels get drawn while the weak stay at home. Orderflow speaks in the language I know. Deep charts whisper where the big money flows. Tick by tick, I read between the lines. Jacks by humming, catching all the signs. No FOMO plays, I just wait my turn while these rookies burn. Watch the candles churn. I don't chase trades, I let the setup come. Nasdaq futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube, see that.
See where the volume is.
When the track gets sprung, liquidity pools where the sharks all feed. Dime shows the pain, I can smell the greed. Gamma exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies.
Like 860 was a target level.
No second guesses when the tape don't lie. Either get right or
It's right here. I'd say it's very doable. 850s.
live on YouTube, see the algos run. Money moves silent when the trap gets sprung. Stream goes dark, but the place stay lit. Morning comes, bet I'm back on it. G on the flow with the traders with. Charts don't lie, just follow the script. Pre-market scan, I'm locked in the zone. Levels get drawn while the weak stay at home. Orderflow speaks in the
Everything above that level, super bullish.
where the big money flows.
850s already right here.
Read between the lines, Jacks by humming, catching all the signs. No FOMO plays, I just wait my turn while these rookies burn. Watch the candles churn. I don't chase trades, I let the setup come. Nasdaq futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube, see the algos run. Money moves silent when the track gets sprung. Liquidity pools where the sharks all feed. Dom shows the pain, I can smell the greed. Gamma exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies. Bid ass spread, tell me who's gonna die. No second guesses when the tape don't lie. Either get right or get left behind. I don't chase trades, I let the setup come. Nasdaq futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube, see the algos run. Money moves silent when the trap gets sprung. Stream goes dark, but the place stay lit. Morning calls, bet I'm back on it. G unit flow with the traders with. Charts don't lie, I just follow the script.
Not too sure how much I wanted. We're about to hit lunchtime too. I mean, we still got some time, but I'm basically back to break even on the day. I'm might just do it all over tomorrow. She does look strong though. I'm too hesitant. I should have been long. I don't want to chase it right here. I want to be somewhat in the momentum too. Also, you want to see it push, push, push. Otherwise, this is not going to be looking really hot. 5 minutes is close there. Gotta gain that one. There's also a lot of room for price to pull back to and still look good. Wait, let me check how the IB. Hello? Profile? Like from this IB perspective, we broke it to the upside here, bullish. This thing could still, like I would still take entries like this. That's how Fabio explained it for the reload area. As you can see, obviously there's a lot of business being done here. So they push it out of balance. They could come back down for a reload. Although I don't want to see it break that support. Which is still kind of, it's basically value area high here. Yo, what? What are you doing? Yeah, half hour, hourly, same thing.
In the morning, it was cereal and an E-bro. That boy keep going in, I can't let it go, but get lethal. Watch how I'm showing it from JFK down to Heathrow again. I gotta keep going and I beat the Rico again. I'm going beast mode again, keep flowing and keep knowing it. I arrive and keep blowing it. 5 aside that ball's going in man each time. I never blow it. I'm in my prime.
This could be my last play. If I get what I want, if she breaks 822. at the moment sellers getting absorbed at that level here, so they're keeping price up. I do want to wait for that level to get gained, because as it stands, that doesn't look hot if we close like this, especially once we start trading back below these prior candles. At the same time, where are we going to squeeze to? The 850s. Nasdaq. Why would you do something like that? I mean, the real entry would have been lower though, but I wanted to wait for more information. Crap. Kind of wished for a little bit of a retest of this. I don't think that was too much to ask for. I don't want to enter right here. I'm waiting for more information again. Definitely want to see that 21 level, 22 get held. Ideally push down absorption. I don't want to see it continue up for me, because we're getting really close towards that 850 level. Or I should be super aggressive here.
Level 2 data, see the money start to run. Orderflow patterns like a symphony. I conduct while these amateurs still stuck on fundamentals and
Try to enjoy momentum.
futures. I'm the king of this game. Deep charts.
I have to stay true to my stop.
Cameras gonna squeeze live on YouTube. Watch me bend these markets with ease. Dark pool prints, I read them like a book. Liquidity zones where the algos get shook.
65 would be my top target, but I just gotta squeeze.
I'm the king of this game. Deep charts flashing, not know every name. Next bout whispers where the gamers gonna squeeze live on YouTube. Watch me bend these markets with ease.
That's liquidity though.
I'm painting the tape. Smart money.
I'm probably just very late.
DX spikes. That's when I feast. While the hedges scrambling like they're chasing the beast. Frozen bell rings, count another green day. B&L statement looking like Broadway. From the pit to the screen, I evolve with the times. 50
Not a fan of that reaction though. Not looking too hot, created a new high, trading back under that blue line. It's not something I like to see. $850s, buddy. Eat the 840s, please. So, like it's even struggling eating those 840s. Like you can see it on the right screen of the DOM, that 840 level. It's even struggling against that. Got another 5-minute close. Like I got my stop here ready to drop it if she squeezes it, but I feel like I'm gonna get squeezed. Like doji. Trading below the prior candle. It's gonna stop me out. Like they're stepping in front of it right here. Continue, eat it, continue. Use this level of support, don't reject it. Go to the next liquidity level. Go to 840s, absorb those orders, use that level of support. All right, very nice, Nasdaq. You continue 840s and use that level of support because you want more liquidity. I'm just trying to sweet talk to Nasdaq. Sometimes that helps. Sometimes she needs a little bit of a guidance what to do. Isn't it, Nasdaq? Man, this thing is just stuck here. Squeeze it. I know you want to squeeze it. Dude, I'm gonna go break even. It's gonna stop me out to a tick and then go. But I'm losing freaking patience. I don't care. I'm going freaking break even. Go for 850 Nasdaq. I'll drop it at 45. I'm taking the 1 hour. I'm taking it. Dude, I really hate when price is that slow moving from my areas. I'm just the worst when price sticks to my entry. I want to be either wrong immediately or right immediately. I don't care if it's wrong or right, but don't keep me in the middle of it. Idea was right though. That's good. We're up $621 right now. Oh, I come back. 475. Damn, I'm already having $120 commission. What? Is that right? I'm not sure. Hi chat. Lunchtime, like in 30 minutes. I think I tried my best to squeeze money out of it. Not the best trades, not the best price action. Definitely one trade here where which I'm not happy about. Middle of the range, chasing the move after getting stopped out in a real nice entry, location-wise, giving it all the room in the world to continue coming back to a tick. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this got to me, and then see it immediately reverse, confirm bullish. Yes, I could have waited for price to start gaining these levels. Yeah, this is to be avoided. Need to avoid losses like this. Although it kind of looked good, made sense, but yeah, I was a little bit triggered by this. Happens. That's it. I'm going to lock for the rest of the session. Thank you very much. I think it's time for some food for me. Get away from the chart. Touch some grass. Chill out. I think that's not a bad idea for me. Tomorrow, let me see what we got here. How? Jesus. 1 hour before the open. Housing. Not really that much. I think Wednesday is going to be obviously a big one with the FOMC. Not sure how I'm gonna tackle this one. I might stream this one late, like basically trade the FOMC. I might do that. Not sure. Then Thursday, jobless. Again before the open. We got expirations too on Friday. Thursday. This Friday is a freaking holiday, so it's a short week. It's rollover, and we got FOMC. It's a tricky week. I feel these are the ones you wanna, or I want to survive. We gotta be careful, right? At least. Jeez. Huge rejection. Right, that's me. I'll be back tomorrow. Everyone, stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Where's the outro? Where's the outro? Outro right here. Ciao.